Hello, I'm Robert Svensson, Product Manager for Martin Architecture. Let's talk about the magnetic test tool for Exterior Linear Pro. On the side of the product you find this magnetic icon. If I swipe once, the fixture now tells me that it receives power and DMX by changing between green and blue. If I swipe once again, the fixture now turns into full white and I can now focus the fixture. I can also choose to swipe another time and then have a different color. I can get red, green and blue and use that for focusing or demo purposes. So that's the strong features of the inbuilt magnetic tool of the Exterior Linear Pro.